I bought this 2013 Kia Soul from Copart thinking just need a bumper, but the second I saw it in person I knew something was off. Oh, this is bad. Thought this is the problem. Driver's side over here, but then I noticed this as soon as I saw the car. There's a huge gap over here, and look at this. So from the pictures, it honestly didn't look bad. Just front bumper damage, maybe some cosmetic stuff. Perfect cheap flip, or so I thought. Paint is faded. You can see, like there's no color at all. The bumper is out of place, and it's missing the undercovers. But the real issue is the hood right here. Alright, let me pop up the hood and see. Hopefully it still can close and see what's going on. Moment of truth. Yay, it opens. Alright. Well, super dirty. Oh, you should see guys the interior. Let me show you guys the interior actually. First thing first, I'm gonna do is clean up the inside because it's disgusting and dirty. Then after I clean up the inside, I'm gonna tackle the bumper. I don't think it's need a replacement or anything like that. Just have to clip it back, put bolts over here and tie it to the fender. Then we have to take care of the hood, which I believe it's the hinges over here, this side. I think the hinge is damaged. Hopefully it's not the frame, but I don't see any frame damage anywhere. I was inspecting the frame and it looks good on both sides, but the hood is still won't shut off like flush. Let me show you. Let's see, it's misaligned. There's a huge gap on the driver's side, and there's no gap over here. And as you can see, the hood is like going over the fender, so that hinge over there on that side, it seems like it's misaligned because of the damage, I believe. I don't know, I'm not sure where they hit. See, it opens and I can close it. See, it's good, can close, except there's a huge gap. So at first glance, this Kia Soul honestly didn't look that bad in the auction pictures, but once it got here and started looking closer, the problems start showing up fast. The front bumper is damaged and pushed out of place here on the driver's side. Even the side trim is popping out. And the paint on this thing is rough. The original green is fading into this weird silver color. This driver's side headlight is completely oxidized and yellow, but somehow the passenger side looks almost brand new. Not sure if it was replaced, brand new, or the driver's side is just dirty. First thing first, I'm gonna do is clean up the inside because it's disgusting and dirty. Alright, I'm done with the cleaning. Spent 2 hours cleaning up the car, but I'm telling you what, I'm not satisfied at all. This is not what I want it to look like. Still look dirty. Still has that pet smell in it. Still have a lot of pet hair inside. I'm not satisfied at all. Tried the cleaners, towels, brushes. Still so dirty. Still have pet hair and everything. And this is not right. I don't feel like this is right. Still wearing my gloves. Got a new one actually. So next step, I'm just gonna take the seats out, and start all over again, even if it's gonna take me the whole day. But I gotta make sure this car is clean from the inside, and I have to get some freshener over here because the car smells like pets, and this is not good. The backside looks better, a lot better actually, but I'm still not satisfied. As you can see, look, hair is still there, dirt's still there, and look, it's full of hair. So there is places that I cannot reach. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take the seats out and clean the seats outside, and then I'm gonna have enough room to clean the inside with brushes, with I'm talking about soap and water and a lot of things. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Alright, seats are out. This is the second time I'm gonna clean it up, but look how nasty it is. Still, there is pet's hair everywhere. It's hard to get it off of the carpet. Even over here, it's still kind of, it's like glued or something like that. I'm not sure, but look at these nasty places right here. I'm gonna wash and shampoo the inside actually. Right, the second vacuum. This is what I managed to get out. Most of the hair, but not perfectly. This is the driver's side as well. And as you can see, there is a lot of mud and sticky stuff. Ew. That silky stuff over here, I need to get it out. So my next step is, got this. And I'm gonna brush the interior. I'm gonna brush the F out of it. Like literally everything.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine.
And now I'm done with the seats. The passenger seat turned out really good, and as you can see, it looks nice. But the driver's side is still kind of messy. It's clean right now. There is no hair, but there's still these spots over here I couldn't get out. But after all, turned out good. It's not gonna be everything, not gonna be perfect, but everything looks good on it. Alright guys, so I completed the floor mats right here. Got the seats, but as you can see, it's getting dark. So I'm gonna keep the seats outside and the floor mats because they're still wet. So I'm just gonna put them in a space. I'm gonna put them in a spot where they can dry until tomorrow. Then I'm gonna put it back inside the car. But for now, the inside is clean and the interior is clean of the car. And we will tackle tomorrow the front damage for the bumper, and we're still didn't do anything to the damage itself because I was busy cleaning up the inside, the interior, because it was disgusting and I cannot really go inside or open the door without getting disgusted by the car. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna put the seats back, the floor mats back, and I'm gonna tackle the front bumper first. And of course we still have the mysterious gap on the hood over here, which I believe is just gonna need alignment, but let's keep that till tomorrow and I will see you in the next episode. I'm not trying to make this video longer anymore, so until next time, you have a great day. And if you want to know more about this car, you can subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. See you guys. Oh, I forgot it's wet. Oh wow. My behind got wet.